Hi, you guys. I want to show you what I've been doing. So we'll run down through it together. I watched another reader do this, and it looks pretty simple, but we'll see. So the first one's rename it. So we'll rename it. Repo it, I heard. It says, don't drink tonight. DDT. Alright. Drowned, dismembered, and tortured. Uh-oh, there's a gifted bloodline. GB initial. Red Barks, Ginger. Oh, general beneficiary. General bloodline. Gabbard bloodline. What? Persistent violent offender. Psychic medium. Oliver Vance. Got your ass beat. Two females work together. Two white trusts. Johnson. Fraud. Fitness center. Official court. Federal crime. Stolen equity. Serious evidence. A vet. There's my vet. I love my Corvette. That's the only car I've ever freaking wanted. Never got. Damn it. I always wanted a Corvette. Ever since I seen my cousins. I was a little girl and his dad come rolling up in that vet he bought him. I loved it. A missing attorney. Look here. Two missing attorneys. Two missing attorneys, and it says it comes in threes. Maternity. My assistant. Another my assistant. Melissa Offord. Who's that? Mike Offord? Mike Allen? Mike Allen. I don't know who that is. Mark Allen. Missing attorney. Comes in threes. Sabrina. Power hungry fool. No, I'm not. What it's saying is it's a water company. PHF. Or it's a policyholder fund. Policyholder fraud. Huh? Elvis music. Evil money. Let's see. Everett McKinney. Ellen. Something Martin. Equal measure. Yeah, somebody humiliated Sabrina. Humiliated him, and you're going to get that back. Equal measure. Well, I heard Earnhardt. Medicine. Street smart degree. I see stabbing death. No. I see Secret Service document. Or single servant. Severed. Stabbed, strangled, and dismembered. Ooh. Keller. The manipulator. Of course. A jailer's trust. Jim Bad Johnson. It says AJT. AJ Trust. Alan Jackson Trust. Huh? A JT. A jailer's trust. Gratitude. An honest friend. Hattie Flinger. Who's that? Jasmine. At the end of the day, Courtney, Rita, no fear, not found. None found. Evidence. Equally managed trust. For who's this? Rita? Oh, that's not what it says. Every minute in time. EMT. A leader? A liar is what I heard. Recorded abuse. Randy Allen. Stage crime scene. Still can't see. Still can't show. South Carolina shores. So somebody might have been in South Carolina. Show calls. Oh, Scotty Crawford. Scene. Single car scene. A single car accident. Old prostitute Kathy. Oh, please kill, it says. Bank teller fraud. BTF. Bound, torture, and frame. This says by Tony Franzel. You're going to find out some of that fraud. My niece worked down there in one of the banks. Yeah, my niece worked in the bank. I'm sure she just cashed anything they brought in there. they had a niece in the courthouse, a niece in the bank, a niece in the... Yeah, I got family all over down there, but y'all fucked. Beneficiary. Tina Franzel. Beneficiary. Tanya. Todd Fleener. Tammy. Todd Fields. Beneficiary Trust. Fields. Yeah, it's David Fields. That man's smart. If he's still alive, y'all need to speak with him. David Fields. He knows everybody and everything. Been there. He's a good, honest man. Williams. A tall dude. Takedown. Torture death. Tony Darty. Williams. Tony Darty. Williams. I heard Kay Williams. Cat Williams, which is Griffin. Griffin Williams. She's using my first name, obviously, so she's going by Cat Williams now. Yeah. A tall dude. Total dud. Total distraction, I heard. Somebody was just a distraction. Somebody tried to distract somebody named John. John was lied to. A lot. Somebody said total dork. Williams is a total dork. Yeah. Dork of the dorkiest. Grandfather clock. Grandchild. Grandfather's child. Wages of sin. Watch out, son, I heard. Jezebel Coven. Just Cause. Justin Cruz. John, somebody. Jessica. Oh, that's Jezebel Coven. Double homicide. Yep, I've been picking that up too. They did something, try to blame it on me. Let's see. Dewey Haynes. Dewey Haynes. Donetta Haynes. Dwayne Haynes. Donald Hunt. That's an old good friend of mine down there. Me and him, I bet he's he's a gay guy down there, and I was fucking loving him. Me and him grew up together. He's Scott Gasky's cousin. Scott Gasky. Donated house. Well, Scott, you better move your ass over because I'm coming down there. Donated something. No, I said dismembered head. Oh my God. Yeah, this is Jersey City. Jason Cardwell. Donated house. I still see that dismembered head. I don't know. I get some weird stuff coming in from my God sometimes. Torture, death. Total bitch. Total bitch. Trust beneficiary. Yeah, it's my cousin, Teddy Swift. He got a trailer down there. I noticed everybody cleaned up around and everything. That's a damn shame. Y'all should feel so bad about that. Probably didn't even know him very well. If your family, you should know they cared a lot about me. We was friends. Probably brothers or cousins or something. I'd be ashamed of myself if I were you guys. That says Barks. Tina Barks. Tanya Barks. There is no Tanya Barks. Tortured boy. Tara. The Pope. The policy. Tim Phelps. The Pope. Missouri. Okay. Psychic medium. Yeah. Paternity mother. Policy member. Policy management. We have the fitness center. Official court. Found child. Fraud crimes. Felony crimes. Fake child. Floyd County. Let's see, I got a little mixed up here. Oliver. Stolen equity. Show evidence. Stop everything, she said. Name Dale. Gratitude. EMT. Oh, we done went over that. Here we go. Elvis music. Eerie meme. Estate management. I know, and I'm telling y'all, I've been coming up with this, and y'all might laugh at me, but I think I'm related to Elvis Presley. His mother was a Smith, and I tell you, all this didn't start until Priscilla passed away. Priscilla passed away, and then next thing you know, these people are attacking me. And I'm telling you, my family's been running back and forth to Memphis, too. I don't know, you guys, in Missouri and Iowa, hell, everywhere. Elvis music. Vance. Stolen Equity Vance. Stole everything. Elvis music. Eric Jr. Vance. Jefferson. There's that vet I've been wanting. Boy, if I ever get one, I'm probably afraid to even sit in it. A leader. John again. In Missouri. Okay. So that's what I have. And I'm going to do I like this Elvis music. I love Elvis music. I always have. But anyway. So yeah, later on I'm going to do, I'm going to sit down and do a really good read. But I'm going to wait until later on tonight, till everybody's cozied in. You know, maybe you could kick back in bed and watch it and take things in. Miller. Every mile. Estate management. That's exactly what it says. Anyway, yeah, my family's name. But I hope this helps you guys. I'm really just so bored. I hope everybody has a good time this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. If I were you guys, I'd just stay home, because if you get arrested, you'll be in there until Tuesday. So if I were you, I'd find something to do at home. And I don't know. I don't see a lot of rain in the forecast. But usually it rains every Memorial Day. So anyway, so make sure to have good weapons safety. Never store your weapons and ammo together. Keep things out of the reach of children. And don't drink and use weapons. You're just asking for trouble that way. So I hope this helps. Everybody stay safe. By the way, if you want to read, you can hit me up on Facebook at Lady Katina 333. You can search me up and just send me a private message. Tell me what you want to hear, what you want to know. And I will be more than happy to see what we can find out together. We can do it, FaceTime it together or however you guys want to do it. But anyway, I hope this helps. Thank you.